Hey everyone, we're back with the TRS-80 here. Wanted to run a fun little simple program I stumbled across on the internet as I was looking for some TRS-80 example stuff. This one, I'm not sure who wrote it originally, but it's fairly cool. Go ahead and run it here, and you can see the lines of basic, fairly simple to type in. I'm sure you can probably guess what this is going to do, but let's just run it and see how it goes. And pretty random scramble pattern there, just an easy little graphic. If you're interested, like and subscribe for more.